Welcome to our channel. Today we how to transfer leads from HubSpot to Salesforce CRM detailed guide step by step clearly. To transfer leads from HubSpot to Salesforce CRM, start by logging into your HubSpot account. Navigate to the contacts section and locate the leads you want to transfer. You can filter the list to narrow down specific leads based on criteria like date, status, or lifecycle stage. Once you have your desired leads visible, select them using the checkbox next to each contact. Next, click on the Actions drop-down menu that appears at the top of the contacts list. From the drop-down, choose the option that allows for export. In the export settings, select the CSV file format for compatibility. Click on the Export button to initiate the download of your selected leads. After the export is complete, save the CSV file to your computer in a known location. Now, log into your Salesforce CRM account. Navigate to the app launcher and select Sales from the available options. Go to the Leads tab to prepare for the import process. Locate the Import button, typically found at the top right section of the Leads page. When prompted, choose the option to import leads via a CSV file. Select the CSV file you previously exported from HubSpot. Salesforce will guide you through mapping the fields from your CSV to the corresponding fields in Salesforce. Make sure to review each mapped field to ensure accuracy. Once all fields are correctly mapped, click on Next to proceed with the import. Review the import summary, then click Start Import. Monitor the progress of the import to ensure all leads are transferred successfully. Once the process is complete, check the Leads tab to confirm that the new leads appear in Salesforce. If you encounter any errors during the import, Salesforce will provide details that can help you resolve issues. You have now successfully transferred leads from HubSpot to Salesforce CRM. Familiarize yourself with the new leads in Salesforce to understand their status and data. This completes the step-by-step guide for transferring leads between these two platforms. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.